tarde, good afternoon everyone. All right, let me just welcome you all to today's symposium. We have different presenters that will be presenting, and this is a continuation of the work that started from as far back as last year, October, when we had the first TVET conference. And the first TVET conference then served to attract the various stakeholders. So my name is Cecill Cornwall. I'm from Jamaica. So I'm Jamaican Curaconian. So we have been working closely with their Minister of Education, Minister Irene Dick, who of course sent her apology as she's in Parliament today. But of course, our representatives are here from the ministry. And we are very happy to welcome you, the teachers from the school system. And today is just one of the different schedule of activities that will take place. 2 weeks ago, we had a delegation from here in Jamaica who came and looked at our TVET system and TVET at work, and to see how we work with TVET through competency-based education and training to really address employment issues and unemployment. Of course, TVET is not new to Curac. It is just the methodology that would be new. Your motherland, Holland, of course, used TVET education as one of the drivers in transforming or reducing youth unemployment or high youth unemployment. And of course, it is one of the countries, I'm speaking about Holland, that is well respected internationally for TVET education.